Hello everyone, I am your mathematics teacher Robi Sir. Now today we are going to start a fundamental chapter of mathematics set theory. Now first of all we have to know the history of set theory. Now the modern set study of set theory was initiated by the German mathematician Richard and George Cantor in 1870. But in particular, George Cantor is commonly considered the founder of set theory. In our mathematical language, everything in this universe, everything in this universe, whether living or non-living, is called an object. So, what is the definition of set? Now we can say the definition of set: a well-defined collection of objects is called set. It must be well-defined. Suppose the prime number less than 10. Then you can write the prime number less than 10. We know that prime number started from 2. Then 2, 3, 5, 7. These are the prime number less than 10. Then we can write this collection of object inside the set. So this statement is verified. A well-defined collection of objects is called set, and the object is in a set are called its member or element. The object in a set are called its member or element. Now look at the whiteboard. Now I am giving some example of sets. After that you will know how can you represent sets. So we have to follow the definition of sets. A well-defined collection of objects is called set. And one thing remember, the objects in a set are called member or elements. And we denote sets by capital letter, not in small letter. So first of all, we are giving example set of A. We have to write the elements or members inside the curly bracket. A, B, C, D. Then how can you read set of A? A, B, C, D. These four letters are called elements or members of set A. And we know that inside the set there are four elements, that is A, B, C, D. Then A belongs to A. That means small a is the element and it is belongs to A. Therefore you can write A belongs to A. This symbol is known as belongs to. And if I will ask you E belongs to A, then it is true or false? It is false, because E is not belongs to A. It does not belongs to A. So you can write E does not belongs to A. You must remember that the elements of a set must be in small letter, and the object in a set are called its member or elements, and we denote sets by a capital letters like A, B, C, D, X, Y, Z, etc. Now I am giving another example. Suppose I will ask you a question. If set A is the collection of natural number less than 20. If I will ask a question, if A is the collection of natural number less than 20, then how can you represent in a set? So first of all, you have to write capital letter sets A equal to, you have to use curly bracket and write the natural number less than 20. You all know that natural number started from 1. So you have to start from 1 according to this question. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. You cannot write the number 20. Why? Because according to the question, you have to write the natural number less than 20. That's why you have to write the natural numbers from 1 to 19. In this way, you can represent sets. Because this question is well defined. These are following 3 ways of describing a set. First one is the roster method, and you can also say this method tabular form. Second method, description method. In this way you can also describe a set. And last one, that is third method, rule method or set builder form. Now we are going to describe first method, roster method or tabular form. So what is the definition? Under this method, we just make a list of the members or elements of the set. First of all, you have to make the list of the elements. After that, you have to put them within brackets. So we are giving example under this method. Let A be the set of all even numbers less than 10. Then you have to represent this question under roster method. So first of all, write set A, capital letters, use curly bracket. Now write the even numbers less than 10. That is 2, 4, 6, 8. You cannot write 10 because you have to write even numbers less than 10. Then in this way we can represent sets under roster method. Now second method is description method. First of all, you have to understand this method. Under this method, we just give a description of members or elements of the set and put it within brackets. According to this method, if we will have to solve a question, then first of all we have to read the question carefully. After that, we have to give a description of elements of the set and put in within brackets. So I am giving an example. Let A be the set of all odd numbers less than 10. You have this question. How can you write, how can you describe into one description method? So you have to follow the rule of sets. You have to start with capital letters, set of A equal to odd numbers less than 10. In this way, we can describe under description methods. Now the third method to describe set is rule method or set builder form. The statement is, under this method we list the properties satisfied by each element of the set, that is X, such that X has properties of P. The symbol stands for such that, which means that the set of all those X, the sets of all those X such that each X has properties of P. Under this method, we list the properties satisfied by each element of the set, that is X, such that, we read this symbol such that, X such that X has a properties of P. Now we are giving an example. Let A be the set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So first of all, you will understand the question. After that, you will write in rule method or set builder form. So first of all, you have to follow the rule of sets. Use capital letters. Set of A equal to X such that X is a natural number less than 6. According to this question, you can understand these given elements or given members are natural number, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But you have to understand natural number up to what? Less than 6. So finally you can write set of A equal to X such that X is a natural numbers, comma X is less than 6. In this way you can solve, you can write rule method or set builder form. I think you all understood the 3 methods to describe a set.